नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल जज वेट पर। तो दोस्तों, आज ऑलू बोर्ड पर एसबीआई क्लर्क का लाइव मॉक टेस्ट चल रहा है और ये मॉक टेस्ट आज और कल तक चलेगा, मतलब 7 जनवरी के शाम 7 बजे तक चलेगा। तो उसके पहले इस मॉक टेस्ट को ज़रूर अटेम्प्ट कर लेना और अपना स्कोर कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना। तो चलिए दोस्तों, करते स्टार्ट। देखते हैं क्या रहता है हमारा स्कोर इस मॉक टेस्ट में। ठीक है, 85 तक, 85 प्लस जाने का टारगेट करेंगे हम लोग। आप भी 80 प्लस टारगेट करना, 85 प्लस। ठीक है, तो चलिए दोस्तों स्टार्ट करते हैं। Making money in today's world is no bed of roses. Is not an easy activity. Making money in today's world is not an easy activity. The lockdown announcement has become a political hot potato. The lockdown announcement has become a political situation that causes a lot of disagreement. A sustainable approach to mining not only preserves the environment but also respect the cultural heritage of the indigenous communities. Exploring a foreign language enhances cognitive skills and opens the door to global career opportunities. CEAD. The ancient script carved into stone tablets, BF होना चाहिए. As a student, understanding the life cycle of wood is essential to learn about the timber industry. A child who prefers M&M and Kit Kat equally. Bags of M&M for one Kit Kat than a child who prefers M&M and Kit Kats equally. Our results suggest that a child who wins up without any Kit Kats but really likes them will be more likely to trade two bags of M&M for one Kit Kat than a child who prefer. BDC. The clock within this device are almost 1 hour in this device, and the clock on my laptop are almost 1 hour different from each other because of some technical issues. He set out for a short walk, BC, but now all he could see were mangroves and water was away for miles. The concept of democracy originating in ancient Greece has evolved to diverse forms of governance. The notion of mindfulness, rooted in ancient Buddhist practices focuses on present moment awareness. The loss of plant species not only disrupts ecosystems but also diminishes potential resources for future innovations. One of the parts may contain error. ठीक है. Intelligent people tend to keep their belongings in an arranged way, which is a part of our cognitive behavior to sort things. Remote working is good to a large extent, but its success largely depends on cooperating from all the employees. Cooperation. D. Being idler as many think is not so easy as your mind cannot bear or adjust to idleness beyond a limit. Though multiple modern marketing strategies has evolved, there are places where tradition marketing has an edge. Where traditional marketing. Positive thoughts lead to a positive attitude, which in turn have a huge impact on the emotional well-being of a person. ठीक है. Being healthy is important and can impact every aspect of our lives. Investment in health is the best investment you make in your life. Stop making excuses and complaining that you don't have time to make healthy lifestyle habits. Following a good self-care routine sincerely can help to prioritize time. Take utmost care of your health, work environment, and surroundings, including the food you consume, the content you feed to your mind, and the people you spend time with so that you can feel energetic and be productive. Maintain a positive attitude towards life and manage with stress. Learn to cope with learn to cope with stress. Manage it होगा. Be realistic and practical with yourself and talk about your feelings to people who love you. Do something that excites you and avoid procrastination to avoid unnecessary stress. And stay away from negative people. Maintain a proper work-life balance to avoid working overtime and fix your sleep time. Maintain a journal and practice gratitude. Proper financial planning can help avoid the mental stress that comes with financial matters and job insecurities. It includes proper planning, identifying goals, making strategies, and implementing them for better future. According to the passage, when projecting confidence does not lead to positive effects. According to the passage, what is confirmation bias? Does have to do convince others. According to the passage, which of the following traits are important for success? Which of the following directly mentioned in the passage? Synonyms with disentangle. Organized. I was already late for work, and to add insult to journey, I forgot my office laptop at home. For work and to make a bad situation even worse. ठीक है. According to the passage, when projecting confidence does not lead to positive effects. According to the passage, what is confirmation bias? Propensity to attribute positive outcomes to skill, negative outcomes to luck. Error in cognition that arises when a person's line of reasoning as per the passage, what does one have to do to convince others of his or her expertise? According to the passage, which of the following traits are important for success at workplace? Which of the following is directly mentioned in the passage? A rise in sale of product can signify the competence of involved salesmen. There is connection between confidence and perception of competence. One, two, I think. Which of the following is not true? People are great assessing competence. Which of the following synonym with disentangle? It is often difficult to disentangle to driver performance. Scrutinized. Over the last few decades, researchers have scrutinized the effects of projecting confidence. थर्ड रॉन्ग है। ठीक है। ठीक है। तो दोस्तों करते हैं अभी, थोड़ा सा आज अलग टाइप से इंटरफेस लग रहा होगा आपको, थोड़ा अलग टाइप का मैं ट्राई करने का देख रहा हूँ। तो अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके मुझे ज़रूर बताना। ठीक है, तो चलिए दोस्तों स्टार्ट करते हैं। फॉन्ट फॉन्ट में अच्छा करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। ओके। 27, 27 माइनस 64 प्लस 42 इज इक्वल टू 5x 60 0। ठीक है, 9 5 1 x माइनस 582, x माइनस 582 डिवाइडेड बाय 12 is equal to 24 into 8 192 minus 144 50 48 576 12 x minus 582 divided by 12 is 102 48.5। ठीक है, 24 192 24 144 48 96.5 4x 41 4x minus 41 is equal to 12 into 17 24 204 minus 81 123 41 41 x plus 19 352, 375 इंटू 4, 1200, 1480, 1500, 1148, 14 इंटू 15, 210, x प्लस 210 इक्वल टू 340, 357 प्लस 81, 438 माइनस 210, 228, 36 प्लस 28, 50, 64, 8, 8, 16, 17, 25, 5, 24% of 4, 96 into 2, 192 plus 63, 255, 66, 321, 60 into 30, 1800 माइनस 1200, 600, 685, 685, 5, 137, 20% of 1200, 240, 240 माइनस 36, 72 माइनस 42, ठीक है। 170, 168 माइनस 42, 126, 50% of x square 1 by 2, x square by 2 is equal to 586 minus 202, 300, 380, 380, 384, 12, 32, 64, 8, 123, 8, ठीक है। तो 32, 41, 82 इंटू 12, ठीक है। 984, 24% इंटू 143 डिवाइडेड बाय 11, 13, 260, 52, ठीक है। 312, एक्स क्यूब माइनस 31, 343, 7, 25 इंटू 25, 625, 676, 26, 84 माइनस 26, 58, से बाद में करेंगे। 1442, 722, 364, 187, 700, 120, इंटू 2, 10, 10, 720, 728, 1400 माइनस 2, 14, 236, 236, 21, 114, इंटू 5 प्लस 9 इंटू 3 प्लस 3, 13 15 93 ठीक है, 674 574 482 398 322 ठीक है, 100 100 90 92 2 84 8 8 76 68 354 254 127 128 155 280 16 623 1 27 130 125 357 343 9 729 1352 76 112 124 142 178 12 18 36 26 36 okay, 1.5 into 2 to 1 12 100 90 96 20 16 90 14 ठीक है यार, काफी ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया मैंने। ठीक है, ठीक है, इसे 100% करेंगे ही। ट्रांजेक्शन, ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन, find the difference between online and offline transaction by Ishan in August. If ratio of online offline by him, it is to 9. 80 90 10. Number of offline transaction done by Ishan in June 110. Total transaction done by Ishan in July, which is 90% more than total transaction in June, 380. Total number of transaction done by Ishan in September, if offline transaction done by him, 200% more than online transaction done, 3 by 1, 255 85 340. Total number of offline transaction done by Ishan in June August, ठीक है। The number of online transaction done by in August 90 80 90. Ratio of online done by Ishan in June to respect to September, 18 17. एक मिनट दोस्तों, चार्जिंग को लगा लेता हूँ मैं अभी, ठीक है। बीच में टाइम जाएगा इसलिए मैंने स्टॉप कर दिया। ठीक है, तो ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं दोस्तों। अरे यार, ये फिर से वापस पूरा भी दिखाएगा। ठीक है। A is 10% more than B and C is 30% less than B. Ratio of ABC salary of A11 10 7. Present age of AB 5:7. Age of C 5 year ago 25 means right now 20 30. Age of C after 6 years is 8 more than B 7 years ago. Age of C 6 years after 6 years is 8 more than 28 35 5 is equal to 5. Present age of C and A 25 55. ठीक है, कैलकुलेट करेंगे अभी। ठीक है। रेशियो ऑफ टोटल मनी पोजेस बाय देम इज 24 31 34। ठीक है, फॉलोइंग डाटा 100 200 500 एंड 2000। 100 200 500 2000। ठीक है। बाय थ्री फ्रेंड्स अमर अकबर एंथनी। अमर अकबर एंथनी। ठीक है। टोटल मनी पोजेस बाय देम 24 31 34। रेशियो ऑफ 100 200 500। बैंक नोट अमर 10 4 2 1। ठीक है। रेशियो ऑफ 100 200 500 रुपीज बैंक नोट 41111। ठीक है। 400 x 200 x 500 x 2000 x 11 31,000 x is equal to 6200। x is equal to 1/5। एटी। डी नहीं करेंगे यार, क्योंकि अरिथमेटिक रह जाएगी फिर। अबाउट कोर 11:52 एंड डाउनस्ट्रीम 32 आवर्स। ठीक है। 32 22 36 v plus s 36 840 upstream 42 20 v minus s। Find the distance covered by boat in still water 28 340 476। 270 meter long train covers a platform 4 times of its length 810 270। ठीक है, इन 45 सेकंड। ठीक है। ट्रेन टू क्रॉस ब्रिज 330। ठीक है, 270। 20 26 3 minute. Total number of student in school is 4400. Number of girls in school is X% more than boys. 400 girls left the school. Boys becomes equal to number of girls. ठीक है, X4400 ठीक है. गर्ल्स इज 15% मोर देन 1110. ठीक है, 5:6 करा. ठीक है, 4 गर्ल लेफ्ट. ठीक है, 20%. A mixture of 45 liter contain honey and water. 795. ठीक है, 10 liter of mixture is taken out. दुनिया 18 -4 -14 6 21. ठीक है, and replace with 22 liters of honey. 28 21. Find the ratio. 4:3. आरती अंकिता अनिल. आरती Ankita Anil started a business and 2 times of investment of Aarti. Two times investment of Aarti. ठीक है, इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ अंकिता is 300% more than Anil. 1:4. ठीक है, at the end of the year they earn 15400. What will the share of Ankita? 4. 5600. काफी बेकार गया यार ये काउंट. So this is by all three of them. काफी बेकार गया ये मॉक टेस्ट. रीजनिंग में अच्छा करना पड़ेगा तभी बात बन पाएगी. ठीक है, ओके. How many pairs of word in warning? WARNING XYZ BCDEF ST OPQ JKLM JK OPQRS HI JKLM 1. बाद में करेंगे, इसे बाद में करेंगे. टेस्ट द फ्रूट. टेस्ट द फ्रूट. द येलो मैंगो. मैंगो. स्वीट फ्रूट मैंगो. स्वीट फ्रूट मैंगो. ठीक है, GPLMTY GPLMTY TYBKPU TYBKPU GLGPBK BK GLGPBK. ठीक है, स्वीट टेस्ट GLLM. Only a few edge is frame. Only a few edge is frame. All frame are border. All border are mount. Some edge Some age is border. True. All frame is mount. True both. Some storms are smoke. Only a few smokes are river. All storms are lotus. Some lotus are smoke. True. No lotus is smoke. Only one. Only a few cottage are cheese. Some cheese are white. No white is yellow. All cheese can never be yellow. True. All cottage can never be yellow. False. Only one. 6 points ABCD. Direction north, south, east, west. F is 2 west of E. A is 4 south of D. A is 4 south of D. C is 2 west of A. B is 6 south of E. And 8 west of D. B is 6 south of E. Six E to F. In which direction F with respect to C? Northwest. F E B A F C. F E B A F C. F D B C. In a family, Q is the only son of N. Q is the only son of N. M is the son-in-law of O. M is the son-in-law of O. O is the married to R. O is married to R. P is the sister of O. R is the father of N. R is the father of N. ठीक है. R has only one child. Q. ठीक है. How R related to Q? Grandfather. Among the following is the aunt of N. P. 7 people sitting around a circular table. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All people facing center of the table. 2 people sit between P and Q. P sit immediately right of Q. R sit third to the right of S. R does not sit adjacent to Q. Q sit immediately right of R. V does not sit adjacent to S. ठीक है. S R U. ठीक है. Q T. P. ठीक है. V. Okay. Among the following sit immediately left of P. Yes. How many people sit between Q and V? Left of Q. 2. What is the position of T with respect to R? 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. 3rd to the right. Definitely incorrect. P sit immediate right of P. 2 people sit between U and S. 1 person sit between P and T. R sit immediate left of U. U sit second to the right of V. Whom the following seat adjacent to Q, TU, 23, BC। बाद में PK, PW, PHUK, to HG, HUG, both, KC, KRAC, to AU, false, only one, sorry, AC, only one, SB, STC, ST, ठीक है, RC, RB, ROST, ROOST, RC, ठीक है, ओनली टू। Ten people stand into parallel rows. RNTPS facing south. RNTPN. RNTPS and KLPNM. KLPNM. पराग, नंदू, निधि, पाखी, ठीक है। T sit immediately right of N. T sit immediately right of N. N who stand opposite to Parag. Raki stand third to the right of Summer. ऊपर से stand between Parag and Madhu. Toshu stand opposite to Lina. Lina which stand second to the left of Nandu. ठीक है, ठीक है। टी, निधि, पराग, यम, यल, नंदू, एस आर, एस आर, पाखी एंड नंदू, पराग। चौदह फॉलोइंग सीट अपोजिट टू काव्या। ठीक है, काव्या। आर, how many person stand between Toshu and the person facing Madhu? One. एंड ठीक है, पाखी, काव्या, राखी, लीना, पाखी, काव्या, राखी, लीना, निधि, नंदू, समर, पराग, तोशु, लीना। चौदह फॉलोइंग टू according regarding Summer. Summer stand at the end of the row. Person stand opposite to Summer, third to the right of Kavya. More than two persons standing between Summer and Pakhi. All. Places Kavya, Parag, Kavya, Parag, Pakhi, Summer, Nandu, Madhu. Nandu, Madhu are interchanged. So the following person sit opposite to the person who sit third to the left of Kavya. Opposite, yes. समर। 6 different types of books. Bio English Geometry kept in a stack. Bottommost is A, B, ठीक है, 6 ना, ABCDEF, ठीक है. No, 2 different types of books are kept in same. Biology books are kept immediately below physics. Bio immediately below physics. Neither history nor trigonometry kept below physics. History, trigonometry. Geometry books are kept on stack E. GOM kept on stack E. Physics and bio kept neither A of. Physics, bio. Physics, bio. ठीक है, फिजिक्स, बायो. इधर हिस्ट्री नॉर इंग्लिश डी. हिस्ट्री, इंग्लिश, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. ठीक है, इफ इंग्लिश बुक्स रिलेटेड टू ए, ट्रिग्नो डी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिलेटेड टू सी, फिजिक्स. द नंबर ऑफ स्टैक अबोव ज्योमेट्री इज इक्वल टू बिलो बायो, बी. हाउ मेनी स्टैक आर बिटवीन हिस्ट्री एंड इंग्लिश? 4. Trigonometry is kept immediately below geometry. Biology books are kept on B. ठीक है. 12 persons were seated around a square table. They were seated such that there was one person each corner and 2 persons each side. The person seated along the sides facing towards the center. Person on the corner facing away from the center. H sit along the side and second to the left of J. A was neighboring J, third to the right of F. I was neighboring the one who faced F. K was at one of the corners, sit second to the left of L. L sit was opposite to H neighbor. L was opposite to H neighbor. G seated third to the left of the one who was immediately. G sit third to the left of the one who was to immediate left of B. B was seated opposite to E. B second to the left of E. C was seated along one of the side. C side. ठीक है. ठीक है, दो पॉसिबिलिटी बन रही है. L के, ठीक है, H H ओके, H J लेफ्ट, ठीक है, J H J A. जे ए ई ऑफ दूसरो ए ई ऑफ अपोजिट आई, ठीक है। एच जे जे लेफ्ट ना, जे ए ई ऑफ ओके आई बी ई बी ई, ठीक है। ई लेफ्ट डी बी बी इमीडिएट लेफ्ट जे एक दो जी, ठीक है। सी साइड और ओके बी, ठीक है। बी इमीडिएट लेफ्ट जे अरे रे 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 आई डी ई जी, ठीक है। सी साइड ओके 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 पी डी, ठीक है ठीक है। डी टू सीट, what was the position of C with respect to one seat is opposite to D? 6 to the right, यार मैंने यार एक पजल की वजह से पूरे 8 क्वेश्चन मिस कर दिए मैंने, पूरे 3 क्वेश्चन मिस कर दिए मैंने। तो दोस्तों इस मॉक टेस्ट में एक मिनट, काफ़ी ज़्यादा बेकार गया है मॉक टेस्ट। इसमें इंग्लिश में मैंने 26 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट किए थे और इसमें से 22 सही है, 4 क्वेश्चन मेरे गलत हुए, तो इंग्लिश में 21 स्कोर रहा। इंग्लिश में भी कम रहा स्कोर थोड़ा। कॉन्ट में 29 अटेम्प्ट किए थे, इसमें से एक क्वेश्चन मेरा गलत हुआ, तो कॉन्ट में 27.75 स्कोर बना। वो कैसलेट जो था, कैसलेट में मेरा टाइम वेस्ट हुआ, ठीक है। वैसे भी मतलब बाकी तो कैसलेट ही था और अरिथमेटिक लगभग हो गए थे, शायद एक रह गया था अरिथमेटिक मेरा, एक या दो, नहीं दो मेरी नंबर सीरीज रह गई थी। और रीजनिंग में 27 किए पूरे सही है, बट और होने चाहिए थे, ये पजल बनना चाहिए था लास्ट वाला। तो दोस्तों मेरा स्कोर बना है 75.75। तो दोस्तों आप भी अपना स्कोर कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना। इसका लेवल मुझे अच्छा लगा इस मॉक टेस्ट का। रीजनिंग का एक पजल थोड़ी सी पजल थे ट्रिकी, अलग टाइप के थे, बट ओवरऑल लेवल अच्छा था। कौन का एक डी है तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा इजी था। तो दोस्तों आप भी अपना स्कोर कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, थैंक यू।